As you can see, I haven't been recording a lot this week, but I'm gonna start right back up. And today I have something really surprising to me, that I am going to try these frog legs. Frog legs for the first time. They say it tastes like chicken. So I'm going to give you my review on it, my honest opinion. And I have a salad here and a lemon and lime. And I also have a sauce for the chicken. Well, they say it tastes like chicken for the frog legs. Alright, so I'm going to do my thumbnail and pray. Let me see it. Alright. Alright, y'all, I'm back and I'm definitely ready to go and try. First, I'm going to do a prayer. And
what's up,
then
YouTube?
I'm going to, you know, eat. Amen. And amen again.
Bye, YouTube.
You want to see, you want to try a bite of the frog legs?
I'm not.
You want to see me take the first bite?
I'm not tasting disease-catching frog legs.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy,
Who told you such thing?
Mommy, frog legs, you're not supposed to eat.
Okay, and it's like a tartar sauce, guys. It came from Nathan's. And guess what? I am going to fry it. A salad. Good. So I'm going to try first leg. This half of the leg. Look. Something different, something different. So I'm going to actually try it without putting anything on it first. Look at it. It's actually like a crunchy, crisp like chicken. Everything, like, it looks like chicken. But it's not. It's not. Like, the way it's fried up, the batter, yeah, it looked like chicken. Except for when you pull them up and it looked like this with the legs. Like the whole body, the front and the back. The bottom part of the body. And these actually look like bullfrog legs, not no little frog legs. Now it do taste like chicken. I can actually put some hot sauce in this as well. It's kind of like tastes like the Chinese chicken. I do. Now I actually refried these, like put them in the air fryer so they can get fried a little bit harder. I like my stuff fried hard. Look at the bone. Oh, my daughter's scared. But eat it. She said because frogs has warts. So she think I'm gonna get warts from eating this. So if something like that take place, y'all know it came from these frog legs. Got these when you went away on a trip. I came back, but everybody tried them. really didn't care for them. I could tell they want no more. I tried a little bit of it, but I couldn't get the full effect of it because I was eating the lobster roll as well. So I didn't want to kill my vibe trying something that I never tried before. I'm eating so much of it. Is this something that I'd be like, oh, I gotta get frog legs again? It's crunchy. It's okay. But I never go somewhere and say, oh, I gotta give me some frog legs. Never. After actually tasting it, never. Like, it's good. But I'll stick to my chicken. I would definitely stick to my chicken. Camera done went out. I don't know why. Here y'all. Give y'all some. Eat it. Got it. I don't know. I'm about to go get some hot sauce. Alright, I'm back. I got Crystal's hot sauce. This is one of my favorite. Excuse me. And I definitely needed some right now. That's what I'm talking about. Hot sauce and tartar sauce. I think I'm gonna give me some chicken gizzards next. They're good. Chicken gizzards. Fried hard. I could just left stuff fried hard when I eat it. I gotta actually go all the way. Nice here. Yeah. You ever had a frog leg?
No.
You wanna try it?
No, thank you.
You gonna see what it look like? Look. Huh?
Looks like regular chicken, huh?
It looked like chicken, but it was 2 legs like that. They're frog legs. It kind of tastes like chicken. But since you don't know it's chicken, I mean, since you know it's not chicken, you'll be like, oh, no, no, no. You want to try it?
It's the butter.
Okay. So the bite, let me give you. Yes, I put some hot sauce on it.
It's fine.
What it tastes like?
Hot sauce and chicken.
Hot sauce chicken?
Yes.
It do taste like chicken, right?
Yes.
But it's frog legs.
Yeah, okay.
I told him that I would never just go out and say, okay, I want frog legs and try it again, like just to go buy it. I'd rather stick to my chicken because I know what this is. But it was okay, right? Your sister wouldn't even try it. She said, oh no, you're going to get this, you're going to get that. She just started complaining. So, of course, that's her. My salad has some croutons in it. And a little salad. And I ain't use no dressing. You don't always need dressing if the salad is fresh. And mine was. But I just want to come on here real quick so I know what it tastes like. And will I eat it again? Yes, I definitely eat it again. If somebody else buy it and you tell me you don't want some. Yeah, but not as far as, it's not me going to look for it and I'm not doing all that. I'm not going to look for it. It ain't like banging like that, like I have to go have it. Nah, I can fry me up some chicken and I'll be good. Anywho, about to end this video. I just want to come on here and let y'all see what was my final opinion on these frog legs. And I gave it, of course, so. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see ya.